भाइयों बहनों तेज प्रोग्रामर चैनल पे स्वागत है। टुडे वी विल सी like 1 to 60 prime number. Okay, so let's see how we can find the prime number. What is prime number? Prime number is basically if the number is divided by 1 and this, like if it is 5, 5 is divided by 1 and also 5 is divided by 5. So if it is divided by 5 equals 0 means no modulus, nothing remaining, then it is prime. Like 1 is not prime at first I will tell. Okay, because you should like divide it by 1 and also itself, like 1 is not prime. So that's why we are trying to find out the prime number. So bhayo behno, at first I'll write for loop. So for will start from 1 to, it will goes to less than equal 60. So R will be plus plus. So it's that. But I need another loop because I want to like it is actually goes if it is I is I is okay 1, then 1, but if it is I is 10, so I need to like access, so like 1 comma 2 comma 3 4 5 6, this kind of. So uh, like if it is 7, okay, I'm taking it 7, so I need this access. Okay, I will start here. So I need this access, so I need another loop. So I'll just write for let j equal sorry for mm, let j equal 1. It will also start from 1 and j less than equal I. Why it is I will tell. So uh, j plus. So that's it. So yeah, this is the main thing. So why if it is I is 7, as I told, I need access. Again, j will start from 1 to I is 7, so it is okay. I hope you understand. Sorry, understood. So again, how I can check if okay, I mod j double equal, you can also take it triple equal. You'll check type and value both. So if it is this, so log sorry, I have to increase the count. So at first I have to take the count as a variable c, let c equal 0. Yeah, that's it. So it will be increase c plus equal 1. Yeah, that's it. So yeah, it will increase means if I is 7, okay, 7 divided by 1, yeah, 1. So like j, sorry, if 7, okay, it will goes to 1 to 7. So 7 is divided by 1, and also like j next 7 is divided by 2 equal 0, it should be not remain. So no, it is not, again not, so it will be false. If it is 7, it will be yeah, so it will be again I plus plus. sorry, C plus plus, so it will be 2. So you have to write one condition when C, okay, when C equal 0, okay, sorry, 2 equal 0, then log again I, okay, then log again I, okay. So I think it's clear. So if it is I is 8, so it will be like 8. So let's see, 8 is divided by 1 equals 0. Yeah, it is 1, it will be 1. So 2, it will be 2, like 3 not 4. Yeah, it will be 3, 5 not 6 not 8. So it will be 4. If it is 4, okay, it will come here, C equal 4. So it will print. It is not, so it will not print. Okay, yeah, that is the concept. Yeah, okay, you can take it as a reference. Okay, let's see. So let's see it. You can see 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13. Okay, so how it is working, let's see on the on our practice file. So it's our practice file. So yeah, I'll start debugging. So it started debugging. Yeah, debug already started. You can see I is undefined. Okay, if I click here, you can see I is 1. Okay, yeah, it is true, less than 60, less than equal. So C is 0. So next it will goes to the next line, C is 0, and J is undefined. Okay, it will goes to the next line. So 1, it will goes to the next line, j j equal 1, I less than equal this, so I1 j1, okay, so it actually equal, less than equal, so it's came here, it will check 1 and 1. Yeah, it is 1, it will increase c1. So yeah, you can see it, almost it's there, it increased. You, if you hover, you can also see in the left side. So then what, then if I, it will came here and it will increase. So let's see, you can see j value is 1. If it is click here, j2 less than I equal 1, no, it is false, so it will goes there, goes to the, actually break this loop and goes to the upper side. Oh, sorry, before that, it will check C, and it, C equal 2. Yeah, C equal, actually it is 2 and C equal 1. It is, no, it is not. So it will not go there. It will come back home. Okay, it's here. So if I click here, so it is true. Okay, again true. Again come here. So if it is true, and if it is this, so yeah, it is true, because 2j is, and if they 2 I 1, yeah, it's not, again true, it will increase because 2 divided by 1. Yeah, you can hover and see it is 0, and if I click here, so it will increase after few seconds. Yeah, it's increased, you can also see. Now j is 1 and I is 2, so it will increase. Okay, j will increase, j already increased, you can see 2, 2, and I is, so 2. So again it's true, because it is equal, less than equal. So next line, it will goes and it will print, it will add the c will be 2, now 1, and if I click here it will be 2. Yeah, it is 2, and again it will come, it will try to check, it is now j is 3, and you can see I is 2, it is actually wrong. It will goes here c equal to, yeah, c equal to, so print 2. Okay, print 2. So again it will come here, and I will be 3. Yeah, I is 3. So again it will goes there and there, and you can see I 3, and J3, why J is not refreshed, that's why. If I click, it is actually previous value it is showing. So if I click here, it will take it own value. Okay, it is showing 3, but if I click here, now you can see 1. If I click here again it will happen like this. J like 3 is divided by 1. Yeah, 1. 1 and 3 divided by equals 0. Yeah, it is. And 2 uh, is divided by 3. Like it will be like 1.5, but it is still like a remaining zero point 0.5. So it will not consider this, but it will consider the 1 and 3 part. You can see here I equal j equal 1, and I equal 3. So let's hit. Okay, so you can also see c 0, so it will actually add here. So c1, if I click here, already j2. Okay, so if I click here, I already 3, it will like try to divide, it should be 0, but it will be like not 0. So you can see here it will come, but it will not come, and it will actually goes to the upper hand. Okay, yeah, but what c j divide I 3, and sorry, it is actually 3, that's why it is swaying, and now it is 2. Actually we should see here. So actually missed one step. So you can see now j is 4. Okay, j is 4. So I and j, it is j should not be should not greater than I. Okay, j should not greater than I. So it will break and come here, it will check. Yeah, c actually 2. Yeah, c should 2. So it will be 2. It will print same things. If it is 4, so same things it will happen. I4, uh, j 1. Here you can watch in the left side. So if it is 1 c1, okay, 4 and 1 divided by equal 0. Yeah, 1. 2 also divided by, like 4 also divided by 2 equal 0. Yeah, it will increase c. Okay, 2. Okay, 2, and now 4 is divided by 3. No, means it is divided by, but it will it will be like some remaining will be there. So it is not. So next it will be like 4 divided 4. Yeah, but when it will came here, like 3 and 2, no, it will be actually wrong. You can see in the left side. Okay, now it will increase to the 3. Okay, you can see 3. Okay, again it will goes there 5, equal 5 greater than equal 4. No, it is not. So it will come here, it will check 3 and 2. It will actually give you like return back you the mainstream. So this kind of things is happening here. If I click here, it will print the prime number. Yeah, that's it. It will like taking to time, like it will be print 7, like, yeah, that's it. So thanks for watching. Bhaiyo Bahano, please subscribe And please share this video if it is helpful. Yeah, bye bye. Stop record.